Welcome to Smart Sports Medicine and Rehabilitative Therapy at Berks Career and Technology Center, your gateway into careers in kinesiology, athletic training, and exercise science. You'll dive into hands-on learning from strength training and exercise physiology to injury management, nutrition, and mental wellness. In SMART, you'll design safe exercise plans, run fitness tests, and help out professionals in real rehab clinics, giving you real experience before you graduate. As a student, you can earn industry certifications like NASM Certified Personal Trainer, CPR, AED, OSHA 10, First Aid, Concussion-Wise, and more. When you finish, you'll be ready to work in fitness centers, hospitals, wellness programs, or continue toward degrees in physical therapy, occupational therapy, or sports medicine. Take the SMART route. Real skills, real care, real impact.